Stop.
Wait.
And go. Hi, please.
Welcome to MellowBites.
I'm Bargam.
I'm Deepa.
And I'm Porna. It's holy in summer.
It's all about being colorful and cool.
Yeah, today we're making 3 popsicles with only 2 ingredients. They are super easy. And you may be guessing why we said stop, wait, and go.
Yeah, because we are going to make red, yellow, green, and it's all about traffic signal colors. Let's get started.
Yeah, for the first popsicle we have watermelon mint leaves.
Super easy that kids can make shortcut.
And watermelon is super refreshing for the summer. Yeah. I think it's done.
So I'm going to get this transferred into the popsicle molds. So I've poured it into 2 molds for the red color.
1 popsicle's done. There's still a little more left, Mom.
Do you want it like a
Yeah,
juice? Yeah. I can give it like a juice for you. So anyways, the fruits keep going inside the kids' mouths. See? Now it's time to make yellow popsicles.
Yeah.
For the yellow popsicles, you'll need a mango and a banana.
And we've already made another type of mango popsicles, not the same, with a little different flavors. Yeah. And you can go check that out too. The links are in the description box.
They are ripe bananas. You have to make sure that the bananas and mangoes are sweet enough. So it's my turn to make yellow popsicles. I'm going to blend this. So I'm going to add this mango popsicles into the mold.
Yeah.
So we have made 2 yellow popsicles and the other color is
Green! If you don't have a popsicle mold, it's okay. You can just pour it in a cup and put a spoon inside. Yeah, it's on a spoon.
now it's time to make green popsicles.
Yeah, we're making green popsicles. For this, you'll need some kiwi slices and some pineapple. Look, we match. I'm like exactly the color of the kiwi.
I'm like yellow.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter if you add this. It doesn't really change the color, but it adds a really nice tanginess. This is like a tangy popsicle. Kiwis are a little sour and pineapples are super sour too. So all of that mixes together and gives it a great taste. So I'm gonna add this to my blender. So if you want, you can add in a little water just to make the consistency right.
But do not add more, like maybe a tablespoon will be.
So we're just adding in a little bit of water because it's too thick. So my green popsicles are ready.
This is such an interesting recipe. You don't need much time and it's very healthy too.
We made a kiwi cocktail, so go check that out, guys.
It was not cocktail, it was mocktail. So
Yeah.
go check out kiwi mocktail and dragon fruit mocktail if you would like to. We would leave the link in the description box and the kiwi popsicles are ready. So all the 3 popsicles are ready in just 5 minutes. We are going to refrigerate it.
You can like leave them for
Overnight?
overnight or 6 hours. Let's see you next day. Yeah. And plus, if you like to have ice cream for breakfast and your parents don't let you, this is a nice trick to have ice cream. It's like having fruit.
And even it's a nice trick to include fruits for your kids.
Yeah. So our popsicles are ready. Time to taste this. So here we have the green popsicle. I'm not here to taste the mango popsicle, so instead we'll taste them for you. And the natural sweetness is really there. This one's kind of sour because of the kiwis and the pineapple. Look at this color, guys. It's really red. All of these are great for the summer, so hope you try them out. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yeah. See you in our next video. Bye.